Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals. Guys, I have a Tide deal for you if they have all the products. So let's get in here and do these deals. We're using our 5 off 25. Let's go. We're going to get this together really quick because this is our 5 off 25. But I want to do this deal because it is a Tide deal that we put in here. We're Tide, Gang, Suavitel, everything. But awesome deal. So let's go. You're going to pick up one Suavitel at $4. It is a $1.50 coupon. Then you're going to pick up one Tide with Downy pods. 18XL. One Glade at $2.25. It's a $2 coupon. Now this Tide has a $3 Dollar General coupon. Remember when we do the 5 off 25s, if it is a Dollar General coupon, we must cover that coupon. So we're going to cover that coupon in this deal also. Then we're going to pick up one Febreze car clip double at $6. It's a $3 coupon. We're going to pick up one advanced warmer at $4. It's a $3 coupon. And then you're going to pick up one Febreze small space at $3.25. It is a $2 coupon. So let's scan everything. And the first item we're going to look at is that 5 off 25 Monday through Friday deal that they have going on. So here it is right here. Make sure you clip that. It ends on Friday, but we do have one that pick up again on Saturday, so don't fret. Okay, so we're going to scan the Suavitel is at $4, and then you have a $1.50 coupon. Now we're going to scan the Tide. The Tide is at $9.95. We have two coupons. The one we're going to concentrate on is the one for $3, but it is a Dollar General coupon, correct? We need to cover that because the 5 off 25 and a Dollar General coupon cannot go together. Now you want to do the Glade at $2.25 and you have a $2 coupon. That's an awesome coupon. Then we're going to do the Febreze small space double car clip at $6. And it is a $3 coupon. Do you guys notice that all the coupons are high valued coupons? Now we have the small space at $3.25 and you have a $2 coupon. Then we're going to do the advanced airwood warmer at $4 and we have a $3 coupon also. Now let's do the math. Suavitel is $4. The Tide is $9.95. The Glade is $2.25. The car clip is $6. The small space is $3.25. And the airwick warmer is $4. We're up to $29.45. Now, have we reached the cover to $3? Yes, we have. First thing is going to come off is that $3 Dollar General Tag coupon. Takes us to $26.45. So our 5 off 25 is still safe. We're going to take our 5 off 25 now. Then we're going to take our $1.50 off of the Suavitel. We're going to take our $2 off of the Glade. We're going to take our $2 off the small space. We're going to take our $3 off of the car clips and our $3 off the warmer. That's going to leave us at $9.95. Guys, this is $9.95 by itself. This entire deal is the price of this Tide alone by itself. Okay, we're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. You're going to pay $1.65 each. This is $1.65, and this is $1.65. This is $1.65. This is $1.65. This is $1.65. The only thing that's not feasible in this is this, but this is actually used as a filler. Okay, so let's get to our next deal. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Abby's coupon account. We don't gatekeep. Okay guys, the next deal we're going to come through is on the General Mills cereal. Now let me show you. I did show you this as a do now deal on Sunday, and this is the reason why. We're going to look at the General Mills cereal. Cheerios specifically gone. As you can see, they only had a large sizes left. and I was forced to pick up the multi-grain, okay, which is fine. My boys, like I said, they eat everything. So I picked up 2 of the multi-grain General Mills cereal, and then 1 Trix and 1 cinnamon. Let me show you why I did this. So when you pick up the multi-grain, the General Mills, they're $3.85. So the thing is this, guys, look, multi-grain. They don't give you coupons for multi-grain. That's why I made this into a do now deal on Sunday. But these Cheerios right here it is, $3.85. They have the dollar off 1 box coupons that we got, right? So I have 1. I got 2 of the $1 offs. So we're gonna pick up 2 of those. Now also included in that deal is you get a cash back off too, and then they are 4 for $8. Okay, so you want to pick those up. I also picked up something that I know would still take another $1 off at least. Okay, now my sister got 4 of those $1 off coupons, but again, she's in Texas. I don't know, maybe they got something different. I picked up 1 cinnamon toast crunch, and I spend right up in this area in this store, and I have a 50-cent off 1, a $1 off 2, a 50-cent off 1, and I earn $1 and 4 for $8. And then just to give my boys a variety, I picked up 1 Trix, and the Trix is $3.85. And look, you don't have a coupon for that. That's why I want to show you guys that. So I had to put that Trix back and get another cinnamon toast crunch. That's why it's important to scan, guys. That's why it's important when we say do now. If I tell you do now, it's because I have experienced it and it's gone, okay? And I had that experience, so that's why. And that's why I want to show you guys that, okay? This is how my cereal is originally looking, okay? I purposely put those in there like that so that you can see that. Don't just grab it and not scan. Now let's come down here to the chews, because these are on sale and they have a high value coupon. Well, they're not on sale, they just have a good coupon to them. Oh my God, sorry guys. The Quaker Chewy dips are $2.95, and they also have a $1 coupon. Now don't scan the barcode on the, don't scan this, scan the product itself. We're going to scan that, and when we scan, we see that it's, wait a minute, okay, you scan the product itself when you have this issue, and look, save $2 off too. So I did pick up 2 boxes that make them $1.95 each. All right, so 2 boxes. Now if you can find these Quaker Chewy granola bars, they are $1.34. I could not find them. I even did this to the back because I want to see if they had them. They did. Scan the product itself though. Because I want to see, I'm gonna scan this and see how much it was. $2.95, so that's not it. Okay, these are 8 counts that you can pick up, which are better right here. So we're going to pick up 2 of these, and the ones I put in my cart up first are 6 count. You want more bang for your buck, okay? So you guys see how I switch my cart in and out? That's okay. Do that if you need to, okay? There's nothing wrong with switching your things in and out when you need to get them down. Let's go. We're going to come here to the mugs, and these are 5 for $5. Now, they've been holding on heavy lately, so you don't have to do that. We're going to just scan one of them, $2.75, to make sure it's not a coupon, but they're 5 for $5. So pick up 5 of these if you want to. Remember, we're doing a 5 off 25 on this also. Everything in the store is 5 off 25, just like Saturday. Now let's not forget, we need to grab our tea. The tea is $2.50. Spend 10, save $2 or $3. Let's scan it and see, because I don't have a good memory. It's save $3. Spend 10, save 3. So we're going to grab 4 of these. Now this is included also. So $10. And you're going to take 3 off, leave you at 70, divide that by 4, $1.75 each. Look at that, they clears those peaches out, okay? This one is good, guys, but it molded on me. This had mold right on the top of it, right there, so be careful. I don't know why it did that. Now, some more deals that you can grab, but I'm not going to pick up because I am going to go straight here from work. But they also have the brown and serve sausages right here for $1.95. That's a good deal, especially with the kids going back to school. Mine start back in 2 weeks, but they've been doing, like, we've been doing school shopping, school supply shopping, all kind of craziness. Okay, and it's $1.95. No deal on it, but it's $1.95. Still a good deal to me. See, the toaster strudel is $6. They're $4. Then we have that dollar off one. I clicked all of these. Hopefully they'll take these two off. So they're going to be $3 each. Yeah, so I am going to grab these because I just thought I had my cooler in the back of my car. So these are going to be $1 each. Now, usually they'll take that biggest value coupon. If they don't, I'm going to come back and use my dollars and grab some more of these, okay? This is how we're looking for so far for our any day deals. Breakfast foods for the kids to go back to school on. That's the deal you're looking for this week, because school actually started on the 14th for some kids, and then some family members of mine started back also. Okay, so this is how we're looking, guys. This is to show the clearance still going and no one is paying attention. These pasta sauces up here, they're 45 cents. I'm going to get the rest of them because my mom took a couple of cans extra than what I wanted her to take. So I'm going to just clear these out. And that is all, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Have a coupon count. Bye.